Hello students, today we will discuss about file transfer protocol. So FTP is application layer protocol and it is used to transfer the file from server's hard disk to client hard disk. Okay, so FTP uses two TCP connection. First is control connection and second one is data connection. So control connection is established only once, okay, and data connection is established every time the data is being transferred, okay, from client to server. Okay, so whenever the client download the file, every time a new data connection is established, but the control connection remains active. Okay, control connection is established only once. Okay, so we have to learn about the control connection. So control connection works at port number 21. Okay, so each process is assigned a port number. So two port numbers are used here, one for data connection and one for control connection. Okay, so control connection remains active until the FTP session. Okay, until the user is logged in and accessing the resources from the server. Until that, control connection will be established. Okay, next is data connection. So data connection is established every time when the user downloads the file or update the code on the server, okay, or uploading the resources on the website. Okay, so whenever the client updates updates the resources on the server, that a new data connection is established. Okay, so data connection is initiated on port number 20. Okay, it is fixed and you have to remember this. So data connection is open and close for each file transfer. So data, okay, so data transfer process will store the data in the disk in both client and server side. Okay, because it is a mechanism to exchange the data between client and server. Okay, so here is a FTP session. So whenever user logs in, the FTP session is started, and when the user logs out, FTP session is over. And during FTP session, control connection is established only once, and data connection is established every time when the data is being transferred. Okay, so that is all about FTP session. Okay, in this diagram also you can see the control connection once established using TCP IP, then data connection is established between the two machines so that data can be transferred. Okay, so in exam if they ask about file transfer protocol, so you can mention this content. Okay, thank you.